Okay, here we go.
That's the last of them. Good riddance. Come on, Egbert, let's go.
There you are. Finally.
I'm back. The penguins and the blue food boobies were having a contest. They didn't really like each other, but things are fine now.
Yes, well done, Birb. Now, then...
Oh, okay. D.
Ooh, 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 the power. Ooh, ooh, yes, so close I can almost taste it. Soon I will be rid of these songbirds once and for all, and music will only know my music. I can fill the world with order now. Sorry, that was kind of fast.
What are these things doing?
Well, Birb, they're just... Wait, what's going on? That's not supposed to happen. This should be the only I should be the only candidate! Birb, tell me, how do you feel? Any giddiness? Nausea?
I think I feel fine. I do feel like singing, though.
But that could only mean... Of course. I know what you are. Birb, I'm based in what you say.
Owl? What's going on? You're scaring me.
Birb, I found the answer. I know what species you
You
are.
do? But why are you speaking like that?
The only ones who master the power of music. Effortlessly sing like every bird. The wretched, obnoxious, arrogant scum of the forest. Songbirds! This species are responsible for turning the forest's birds into lazy good-for-nothings. Using their power to help out, but all they do is overindulge every Birbie and performing them every other day. Such a waste of power and abuse. I should be the one who wields that power. I'm the one equipped for this. And so I shall finish what I started. I will rid this world of birds like you. You won't be leaving here alive.
Owl? Owl? What's going?
I hope that's okay. I mean... yeah, I mean... Okay, guys, leave a like on this video, subscribe to UnHeardy's channel, and I'll see you guys later.